How to fix Scotiabank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Scotiabank app if it's not working. So, first and foremost reason may be your internet connection. Now, as Scotiabank is an app that requires stable internet connection to run, if you don't have a stable internet connection, sometimes the app will not work. So, what you can do is first of all check your internet connection, and if you're on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you're on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. If this solves your problem, that's great, but if it still doesn't solve, simply go to your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Scotiabank. Now, tap on the Scotiabank and then make sure it says open instead of update, because if your app is not updated to the latest version, sometimes it results in the app not being able to run. So make sure your app is up to date, and once your app is updated, try opening it. And if you still aren't able to open it, what you can do is simply go to your settings and then go to general storage and then search for Scotiabank. Now tap on the option offload app and then offload the Scotiabank app. Now once you've offloaded the app, simply reinstall the app. And now once the app is reinstalled, simply try opening your Scotiabank app, and in most cases your problem will be solved. But if it still is there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the entire Scotiabank app from your mobile device and then go to your Play Store or App Store and download the Scotiabank once again. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your Scotiabank app not working. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.